Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change Messenger to dark mode on your PC. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Messenger app on your PC. So note that guys, you can only do it on a Messenger app, not a Messenger website. So once you're in Messenger app, just log in with your account and then you'll be over here in this particular platform. So once you're over here, just go to the bottom left corner where you can see your profile and then go to preferences. Once you're over here, go to appearances just below notifications, and over here you can see you can go with the dark one over here like this. And that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.